Yeah. Hello guys, this is Ashwini Verma. Welcome to the another episode of My Life episode 21. Today's date is 23rd March 2021 and the time is to be very precise 6:18 p.m. 6:18 p.m. and the thing I'm going to talk about is of Shreya Pattar's new ebook that she just launched today called Money Calls. New ebook and I was very excited because that ebook is related to prospect calling and how to negotiate on overcall and how to handle objection, how to plan your prospect call, how to get prospect onto your call and all. And actually the ebook is all about prospecting on calling. So and I was very excited. I went through the entire landing page and I was very convinced that I am gonna buy this ebook. But the problem is right now I don't have much money in my bank account. I only have $100 in my bank account, and this ebook comes in three version: basic, middle, and premium. Of $15, $25, $65 respectively, and these pricing will gonna be up or will gonna be rising after or on 5th April 2021. So and the problem, I'm not gonna buy this, although I want to buy although I although I want to buy this ebook right now because this ebook is very worthy ebook and I need to buy and I want to buy, but the problem is I don't have much money. I only have $100 in my bank account, out of which I will only be spending $50 on my self improvement or skill improvement because I need to balance my personal and professional life so that I could have some kind of a cash in my bank account so that I could, you know, I could I could require cash anywhere in my life, right? So I just couldn't spend all of my money into self improvement. I only have $50 in my bank account that will that I will be using for investing upon myself. And out of those $50, spending $25 right now when I am not having any kind of a source of income is not worthy. It is not that book is not worthy or book is more costlier. It is not that. The problem is the position, the situation I am right now into is not the right situation to invest my $25 out of $50 into this ebook and then you know left with only $25. So I don't have much money. I only have $100 out of which I'm going to be spending only or up to $50 upon myself, my skill improvement, my self improvement, uh, buying some courses, mentorship program, and all those things. But right now the situation is like I'm not having source of any, I'm not having any kind of a income source because I'm not working. I'm lazy like crazy. I'm delaying, I'm procrastinating, I'm not working, I'm just sleeping in the afternoon and all those things, and I'm not able to get rid of my comfort zone. And I'm having only $100 out of which I only be spending $50 upon myself, and out of those $50 spending $25 on an ebook, although that ebook is very worthy of having $25 as a price. But according to my situation it is not the right way right now because I'm getting so much opportunities these days on a daily basis, where I am getting opportunities to invest upon myself on a regular basis, like courses and mentorship program and all those things. And yeah, and if I spend all my money into all those opportunities, then I'll be having zero dollars on my bank account, in my bank account. So that is why I'm not in a position to invest upon myself right now because I don't have much money. I only have $50, net $50 to invest upon myself, and out of those $50, investing $25 is not the right thing to do right now according to my situation. So yeah, guys, this is the situation of my right now as of 23rd of March 2021, and I want to buy this ebook, but I need to spend my money very carefully, very wisely. I need to spend my $50, $100 very wisely, very carefully, because I'm getting so much opportunities on a daily basis to invest upon myself. I need to spend my money wisely because I'm not having any kind of income source, any kind of cash flow, because I'm not working. Yeah, but I know I have one option. Before 5th April 2021, if I could land one client, work from him, get paid by him, then I will be definitely gonna be purchasing this ebook, buying this ebook, because this would cost me, or this easily could save me thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars in the initial years of me as a working as a freelancer, because by trial and error and then learning from your mistake is gonna be taking 2 to 3 years, and with this ebook I'll be saving my money. I'll be saving those years, initial years of experimenting upon on calls, so that I could become a better prospect caller. So my situation is like hell right now. I don't have much money, but I'll be earning, and then I'll be investing like crazy. Yeah. So that was the thing that I wanted to share right now, and I just shared. So guys, having a source of income is very crucial to growth. Yeah guys, this was the thing. I'm shooting this again, I'm recording this video again because the the previous video got very longer. So yeah, yeah guys, this was the thing. Bye guys, bye.